Here we go. We're at room 11734 on Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas, and all I gotta say is damn! So first, we got the bar area with the people watching seats.
Well, what are we watching?
The Aqua Show and the people. Look, there's like a little creeper hole right there. We got the stuff. If you want to eat on the balcony, damn, we got a place for that too. Oh, but wait, you need to sun yourself. Damn! Look at the ocean view. Uh-huh. But wait, there's more. There's more. Come on, we're still going. We're still going. We're still going. We're still going. Oh, need to sneak out of the room at night to have a look-see. Damn, we got more seats. Look at the people coming in. Damn, they're moving so fast. Wait. And on the inside, watch the step. We got all this stuff. You want a table that's gonna pop your baby's eye out? Damn, we got one. You need a table to have another bite to eat, but it goes up to your titties? Got that too. Okay? Oh, do you need a Lavazza coffee maker?
I like to start my mornings at home with an Italian espresso.
With an Italian coffee? Damn, we got that too. Oh, but wait, there's swim towels. Damn, I didn't even know about it. There's a mini fridge. It's just a cooler bar. It's not that cold. Okay, we got drawers with tissues. Like to wipe the tears because damn, this room's nice. Okay. Yeah, drawers. Oh, there's a trash can hidden under the chair because that's intuitive. We got, oh shit. Shelves. You okay, Nora? You okay? We got a fruit plate. Hand that baby. Are you moving? Yeah. We have more pointy things.
All the points.
Okay? We got shelves for the shoes. Right there. Or whatever you want it to be. We have somewhere in this neighborhood a light switch. Do you need a closet with a light? We got a closet. Okay? Do you need a closet with some more shelves? We got more shelves. Do you need to move your big ass stroller that fits in this whole entryway? Because damn, this room is big. Got that too. Okay. Bathrobes. Because you have to pay for the luxury. Unless you gamble a lot, then you get it for free. Because damn, you spend a lot. Just saying. Come this way. Bed. Oh, it does kind of have a little pillow top. We got lanyards next to the mattress to rest my head on. We have more storage. Eh? Where's mommy gonna put her makeup? Everywhere. Okay. Ah! That's not soft clothes, by the way. We got little drawers. Okay? We got a hair dryer. We got more tissues. We got more drawers. Ugh, we got more closet space. In case there wasn't enough already.
But wait, there's more.
Ugh. Do you need a safe? We got a safe.
Big enough for a laptop.
Big enough for a laptop. And then this little pointless other space. And then there's more storage next to the bed. Because damn, there's a lot of storage. And then on this way, oh, it's not that big. But the floor's nice. It's like, oh, it smells like bleach in here. They cleaned it. I got body moisturizer next to the sink that looks like it's hand soap, but it's not. I'm gonna use some because my hands are crusty because I've been washing them all day. We got more storage. We have that little mysterious trash can. We have the other trash can. We got stuff. Oh, it smells kind of nice. I'm gonna need more of these. And that's it. That's our room. We got spaces to hang things. We got a little bit of everything. And a baby's poopy diaper. And that's all. That's it. Enjoy.